Welcome and thank you for downloading the Catch Up with Crypto Starter Kit. You now have everything you need to safely start investing in crypto. This kit will give you a brief understanding of what crypto is and why it was created. The most significant feature is that it will also give you a step-by-step guide on how to actually buy your first crypto asset and safely store it in your very own personal crypto wallet. Most instructors and guides only give you the theory part, and they tell you how easy it is to invest in crypto, and then they leave you hanging. But I got you. There are also video links on how to set up a Coinbase account and how to set up a Exodus hot wallet. Now, if you're anything like me, I was way behind in my retirement savings. I was very worried that I wouldn't have enough to live comfortably when I could no longer afford to work. I knew that traditional investing assets like stocks and bonds were not going to get me there in the time I had left to save. I needed something that would give me an extra return of 20% or more, and crypto turns out to be the perfect vehicle to do just that. Now, this starter kit is just the first step that you need to start catching up on your savings retirement. Now, if you pay attention and take this seriously, you will be on your way to sleeping well at night knowing that your retirement is in good shape. Now, once you've finished reading and watching the videos, scroll down to the bottom where you can sign up for my free Catch Up with Crypto Masterclass. This masterclass will pick up where the starter kit left off, and you'll get to ask me questions. So, register today. Enjoy this Catch Up with Crypto starter kit, and don't hesitate to contact me with any questions that you may have. Best of luck.